Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to layer your wigs or your sew-ins, whatever you're layering. So first off, I'm going to use my clip and I'm going to section off me a little section of hair, and it's like a medium to small size. I'm going to comb it straight out, and then I'm going to use my cutting shears and I'm going to cut going straight down at a slanted angle. I'm kind of just letting the scissors like glide in my hand going downward, if that makes any sense. So then I'm just going to move to the next section and do the same thing. Now, this is kind of like, you got to kind of eyeball it, and you'll see like where you need to layer more, or, you know, where you need to slow down on the layering. You just got to pay attention. So, of course, there's like many different ways to layer hair. However, this is just, what I like to do. If you do decide to use this method, I think you should, when you're cutting, layering it, you should start lower than you think and then work your way up once you see the way it fall. Now, what I'm doing right here is just trimming the ends of the wig just so that it'll look better and it'll flow more with the layers. So once I have it all trimmed, I'm going to use my curling iron and I'm going to curl it. So now that it's curled, you can see the layers and you can see how beautiful the curls turned out. Naturally layered, and it looks really nice. This is how it looks on. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.